we want to find the item that has the most sales. So you might already know that we can do equals max, and we can look at all of these values, and automatically it's going to show us the number that is the maximum value in this. But we actually want to find the item with this. So here's how we do that. So we can do max B5 to colon B, just in case we add more items. That's a little bit more elegant. And then to get the item that has this many sales, we can use VLOOKUP. But VLOOKUP only looks in the A column for anything that's matching it, but our sales are in the B column. So how do we do a reverse VLOOKUP? Well, it's called XLOOKUP. We look for the search key. This is the maximum sales. Our lookup range is going to be here in this B column, and our result range is going to be in the A column. And we can see map to somewhere quiet is our top seller, our most sold, our most popular item.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.